Hello everyone, and welcome back to Dog and Posh, the place of own fine craft tales. If you haven't met him before, you won't find him dreaming of throwing poo, and you certainly won't find him burning the darts, because he is a world famous, 2 times back-to-back champion of the world in beer tasting. Alan Partridge.
Love it. Right, here's my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone, and Happy New Year to all our subscribers.
Happy New Year! Cracking intro there, bro.
Thank you very much indeed. We've practiced now all day because we've got no doubts then. And of course we've been watching a lot of darts.
Anybody want any fencing put up? Just get in touch if you're local.
Talking about darts, I do really, I'm a bit ashamed of all you people down at Alley Pally booing at Guru Price and making my own air defenders.
He's not a popular fella though, is he?
I don't care if he is. I mean, look what happened to Caroline Flack. She got a load of abuse and
It has to be said.
You got to just rein it in a little bit, you know what I mean?
In this day and age of like, you know, people's well-being, booing somebody on stage isn't the greatest thing, is it, bro? So,
but these guys, I'm just going to have a bit of a moan here. These guys are here to entertain us. You know, it's their livelihood. Yeah. Don't boo them. If you don't like them, keep it to yourself.
No boo.
Don't.
Controversial. Anyway, we're here to taste beer.
We are indeed, sir.
New Year intro. If you haven't met us before, this is Dave, this is Al. He brews beer kits.
I do.
We drink them, review them, and give you our honest opinions.
And it is always our honest opinion.
That's it, really. It's a simple format.
It's
Sometimes we wander off into politics and such like that.
It is our honest opinion. Now, if our opinion offends you, we will not close. We will not close our farm shop. We will continue to give our honest opinion.
You see where I went with going? It's like politics. You got that here. So yeah, it's our taste. There you go. Take it or leave it.
Yeah.
We like you to take it because we like you out there. Right then, bro. What have we got tonight?
Well, we've got a full range of beers from around the world, but we're going to start with a beer that we've had, not that one, a beer that we've had before in the bar, and it's not there, bro. It's here in a glass.
Oh, right. He's starting here. He's scooping me then because he's not one of the boxes we've got ready.
Right. The reason why you haven't got a box, bro, is because I never got the box because it was sent covert style before it was actually released. It's of course Citra wheat from Muntons.
Yes.
We reviewed this a few weeks back, but it was very, very fresh.
Okay.
It'd only been in the keg a couple of weeks.
Right, yeah.
So I thought to myself, do you know what I'm going to do?
Right.
I'm going to take it off.
Yeah.
I'm going to let it condition a bit more.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to re-taste it.
Okay. Just remind me, full grain?
This was the kit from Muntons. Extract kit, 2 tins, hops to add, etc., etc.
Okie dokie. Oh, I remember the one now, yes.
Yeah. Is it coming back in there?
It's coming back. It goes in my brain these days, and you know, I get this age, so right then.
So we'll give it a 10 out of 10 before.
Oh, did we?
Yeah, so I'm just going to try again, just to see if it's improved any.
Oh, it's got a cracking nose on it.
That has got cracking Citra. I think it's got more of a nose on it now than it did do before.
Got a hell of a punch to it. I could get drunk on the fumes, I think, on that. ABV?
About 4 or 5.
Oh, lovely. Right, well, I'm going in. Holy moly!
How can a beer be better than it was before?
That is blooming fantastic.
It was blooming fantastic before, but now the smoothness, and I think the hops have now punched their way through and just made it even more better.
You know, that's punchy without being snappy. It's like you say, it's nice and smooth, isn't it?
I think the conditioners really help bring the hop flavour through. And they say that if you want hoppy beer, drink it early, but I think this is the opposite. This has really improved the beer. And before I could really taste it like it was a wheat beer. I can't taste now it's like a wheat beer.
I wouldn't know. It just tastes like decent, really good hoppy Citra beer to me. It's 10 out of 10. It probably was before, but it's 10 out of 10 as well. Again.
It's a 10 out of 10 again.
So sometimes
but an improved 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
10 out of 10 plus.
Sometimes it's worth leaving your beer to condition.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
That's the most important lesson here. Don't be so keen to drink your beer you've just made, because after a month in the keg, or probably now 6 weeks, I think I kegged that in November, in fact, at some point.
Fantastic.
Even more fantastic than it was before.
No, that's cracking beer, eh? Right. Well, that's a good start.
Isn't it?
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly. I'm glad I left it. I really am.
I am. Because it's going to disappear Friday night. As if by magic. Right, where are we going next?
We're going to go to the Black Country.
Oh, here we go, look. So, this is Heart of England Platinum, the Black Country Mild. Hello, we're going back to the dark side again, aren't we?
Yes, we're all dark now, apart from the red.
So, a rich, full-bodied, traditional Black Country style mild, dark and smooth with great texture and aroma, full and rich enough to satisfy any thirst after a hard day's work. Bostin.
Now, would the Black Country say Bostin or would it say Bossin?
Bostin?
Bossin, I think it would say Bossin.
Bostin?
Not pronounce the T.
Oh, Bossin? I don't know.
Don't know.
I'm not from Black Country, so you
Anybody
guys...
from the Black Country knows the food.
You tell us,
tell us how you pronounce
I'll not insult your accent any further. So, I'm guessing by this it's a
extract
kit.
Yeah.
2 tins in there or a bag?
Yeah,
or
two tubs of malt extract, some little bag of hops to add, etc., etc.
Did you add anything else to it?
No.
No, just brewed it as it is.
Brewed it as it is.
Lovely jubbly. Brewed to 4.5% ABV. Right, there we go.
Get that for you around that.
Yeah, there you go. That's definitely a mild. Very dark mild.
Very dark mild. Black. When they say Black Country dark mild, they mean
They do,
black.
don't they? Because there's not even a redness. Sometimes there's a redness to these beers.
I think I'll probably just get a little tinge in the
No, it's black. Right then, what we got then? Give it a swirl.
What a nice malty, rich nose, actually.
Those toffees are coming through that, can't they? A little bit maltiness.
Yeah, actually, it's fairly sweet smelling, yeah. Just like a mild should be, really.
Right.
Right, cheers.
Cheers.
I'll tell you what,
That's not bad.
that's cracking.
I wouldn't go as far as cracking.
No?
No, I'm kind of getting. It's nice. It's great. It's mild. It does everything you want it to. I'm getting a little bit of a grassy note to it for my liking.
Yeah?
Yes, I am.
No, I'm getting a nice, rich, smooth, full-bodied beer. Unlike a kit at all. I'm quite impressed, actually, that is as good as it is.
I'll have another go.
Have another go. I think you need to have another go. Unless you got the first bit out of the tap, I don't know what happened, but mine's completely different.
Probably, I'm probably suffering. I should have had a glass of water. I've probably still got some nice Citra left because that is a lot better. I've got a little bit. I had a little bit of a Citra grassy note thing there, I think, going on. No, I'm still getting it.
Try that one. Don't do this normally in the DMP. I'm not getting it at all.
See, that's what different people's taste buds do to it, don't it? I mean, it is nice. It's cracking mild. Actually, I'm not going to go as far as cracking. My brother's going to probably throw me out here in a minute.
Controversial decision.
Controversial. To me, it's lacking something.
Probably a bit of body, but it is a kit.
Yeah.
But I can't tell it's a kit as in like
Yeah.
some of the home brewing kits that
Oh,
we've had in the
no,
past.
no.
Like a strong, malty, too treacly.
Yeah.
This is quite smooth, quite rich. I love it. I'm 10 out of 10.
I'm probably an 8. Trouble at the MP.
Can feel a barring coming on here.
I've got to be honest, bro. I've got to be honest.
Yes, got to be honest.
It's not as good as some of the other dark beers we've had.
Even if I'm offended and have to close your shop, I'm shocked.
I'm all right. I'll drink all that. Citra for you, mate. You know, I'll get out with it off here, free of charge.
So 10 out of 10 from me, 8 out of 10 from
8 out of
Bro.
10.
That is from Hampstead Open Shop. That's in Birmingham somewhere. I'll probably say Hampstead wrong as well. Hamst.
Where are we looking?
At the bottom there, right at the bottom. Or on the back of it.
Hampstead Brewing Centre.
Birmingham, isn't it?
Well, it's a B43, so I'm assuming it's a Birmingham number.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Right then, staying in Birmingham.
Okay.
Well, Dudley.
Which one of these is that one then, bro?
It's the top one.
Top one. Right, here we go.
Oh, he's not on it, no. It's first day back after the new year, isn't it? He's been drunk too much.
It's all right for him lazing around all day because he ain't got no work. Anyway. Premium all-grain beer kit barista coffee stout.
That's the one, kid.
Now
That's
then,
the
come
one.
on, look out.
This is a new one from Darkrock. It's a limited edition. So if you're still thinking of getting it, go out there and get it, I would say.
So this is obviously a full grain kit,
Obviously,
size box.
yeah, size box.
A combination of 6 malts provides a rich depth of character,
Yeah.
which is perfectly enhanced by the addition of natural Heartland coffee beans.
Yes, it does come with a bag of coffee beans.
Oh, it actually comes with coffee beans.
Yeah.
To create a delicious coffee porter.
Yeah.
The hop additions add into fruitiness and complexity with balanced traditional blah blah blah. That carries on there and what have you. Tells you what's all in it. Does it tell you an ABV?
It doesn't tell you an ABV. These new limited edition kits have started not giving you ABV on the boxes, which I got a bit of a shock because then I googled one of them, not one of these two, the vintage ale they sent me, and it's 8.5% or something like that.
Woohoo! How strong is this? Do you know?
I'm not without googling it now.
Okie dokie.
You probably should have done that before we came in here.
Probably should have done that before we come in. Or if you like our review, you can go and find out yourself when you order it. Right, then, here we go then. Barista Stout. Parifa Coffee Porter, sorry. I'm all over the place now, I do apologise. Right.
If anybody wants a job in the DMP, just
You can't have one.
send your CV in, please.
Get your nose in there, bro.
Oh. It's just like walking to a coffee shop.
See that? It's almost like an espresso martini, that is, in a pint glass.
It isn't, and it reminds you of that smell of espresso martini because we use espresso,
coffee.
And there's a nice white, creamy, fluffy head on there. That just the presentation, the smell itself is a 10 out of 10 already. I haven't even gone in yet.
That smell is divine. If you like coffee flavoured beers, or if you like coffee, just buy this. Fantastic. Right, I'm going in, bro.
Okay, cheers.
Oh, that is bloody fantastic.
I'm glad we did do the two kits first because that is another level of excellence.
Now that is what I want from a dark beer.
That is everything, isn't it? It's rich. You've got a little bit of the fruitiness in there. You've got the coffee explosion. Man alive.
I can't agree with you more. Yeah, there's the coffee. There's the hint of the hops in there. It's rich. It's smooth. It's full bodied. It's just everything you want.
God, that's good.
Yeah, it's fantastic. 10 out of 10, straight in there.
Straight.
I'm not going to dish you on that one, bro. That's a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, Darkrock. Well done. That is actually 10 out of 10 plus, I think. That is absolutely outstanding.
I could see that disappearing by magic as well at the weekend. Lovely.
Lovely.
Well, there you go. 2 beers down. 3 beers down.
3 beers down already.
Oh, dear Lord.
You're looking a bit blurred over there. Okay.
4th beer.
Yes, come here.
No. Slap me. He's my big brother. He's always been a bully. Right then. Here we go then. 4th beer. Premium all-grain beer kit Ember Glow Red Ale.
That is indeed, sir, yes.
Right, yeah, let's have a look at this one. This is a limited edition as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Again, in one of these big premium boxes.
Full grain. This is limited edition. This is they did a summer range. This is their winter range, if you like.
So this, I really ought to, I got them glasses, I ought to use them really, don't I? This red ale has delicious malty background provided by roast malts. These are matched to Vic Secret hops to provide a big hoppy burst of flavour and aroma. Carried malts ensures a full body malt aroma and deep red colour. Again, no ABV, so have a Google. Lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly. It does sound instructions when you get instructions out, but I throw it on the way because I made a beer.
Okay.
How strong it is as well.
Okay. Right again.
We'll say one thing before we do this. I did keg it. I had to probably draw about 3 pints off before I got clear beer.
Okay.
Don't know if I suck some sludge into the bottom of the keg there.
Okay. But it is phenomenal clear now.
Got it.
I can see you through there, bro.
And it's red.
And it is red. It's definitely red. It's clear. It's got quite a nice nose to it. I just had a quick whiff of it.
Oh, it's got a good nose. Is it?
Yeah,
It reminds me of that thing again. It reminds me of what's it called? Evil Twin.
A little bit, yeah. I get your reference.
It was a
there.
red,
Yeah.
really hoppy beer,
Yes,
though, wasn't it?
It was super hoppy that though. Wasn't it?
But you got the smell of the caramel coming through, and then the hops over the top of it.
Yeah. Certainly that sort of nose to it.
Yeah.
Right.
Cheers.
Completely different to the last beer, but really good as well.
Completely different. Completely different. We've gone from rich, dark, smooth to almost, I think if you closed your eyes, you'd be drinking a golden summer citrusy ale. But then this has got a little bit more grassiness to it.
See, to me, there's more of that grapefruit in coming through, isn't there?
Yeah.
More grapefruity than citrus for me, but it is that. It's almost you go, oh, that's a nice bit, and then there's a bit of, hello, look at me, I'm going to slightly bear bit.
And then you can taste that red maltiness, richness in the background, that caramel. But then the dryness of the hops kind of, like you say, just hits you.
It's like, your tongue disappears and you go, I bet have another slurp of that.
I would have said that was Vic Secret. I would have said that's more like a Sentinel hop, isn't it? It's that dry and grassy.
It's dry and grassy, certainly on that back end. And it's where what's helping that sort of like grapefruity flavour a little bit as well. It's 10 out of 10.
Definitely 10 out of 10.
It's 10 out of 10. Yeah.
Well done, Darkrock. 2 10 out of 10.
And yeah, your limited editions there are rocking.
Absolutely fantastic. Go over their website if you haven't checked them out before. Nice website to use. Good delivery as well.
Yeah.
Free delivery, spend over a certain amount.
Well, I didn't ask on these kits. How much are these kits?
They're about, well, again, I haven't looked recently because with a lot of things, everything's gone up lately.
Everything's gone up.
Around about 30 quid.
Lovely.
I think, again, if you buy 2 or 3, you can get a pack where you can get like a bit more discount. Yeah. Again, if you're looking for stuff like that, if you buy 2 or 3, you get a discount, and then you're getting free delivery.
Some companies, if you spend over a certain amount, they'll give you free delivery, won't they?
You are getting like the best discount and
best
quality at the same time as you can possibly get.
Yeah. 2 10 out of 10s. 3 10 out of 10s.
So you top beer across the bar there.
Top beer.
Which beer would you give your?
Now I'm torn a little bit here because I do love that first Citra.
Yeah.
But I do love the coffee porter.
Yep.
I think out of the beer in my bar, this is close, but for me the coffee edges it and the Citra. But I'd struggle to pick between the two.
I think I should pick between them all, actually, if I'm honest.
There you go.
So what we're going to do Friday night is start here, go there, start there, come back here, and probably go back down there.
I'm going to book a bed at an emergency room now. Well, there you go then, bro. I was just about to go, come in next, but my brother reminded me not to do that.
Yeah, no, next time, we're going to come back shortly now we've done this video. We did mean to do this video before the end of the year, but we kind of just slightly slipped into the new year with...
Stuff happens, doesn't it, bro?
Stuff happening. So we are going to come back next time, and it will be the Dog and Partridge Awards.
Dun, dun, dun. What he needs to do is actually tell me them so I can do the certificates.
That will all be happening this week. See, I ain't got a lot of anything else to do. I've got to through all the videos, look at my lists, decide what categories we're going to do. Probably some dark category, IPA category, best bit of category, clothing category, something like that. And then let you all know what we think.
Of the beers. And we'll add those awards out and we'll even post the guys the certificates.
Might even take some around. You never know.
Well, there you go.
You never know. You look.
So if you are watching us on anywhere else besides YouTube, head on over, hit that subscribe button and comment away. You like reading, don't you, bro?
But I like reading, I like commenting, and I love answering back. Yeah, and any help I can give out there to anybody, I'll do my best.
Or any help you can give us. Either way.
Yeah. How do you say Bostin?
How do you say Bostin? I don't know. Right, I don't know. Is that about it for this week?
That's about it for this week.
Yeah, I'm going to get this one, I think. There we go.
Yeah, because we don't want to close. If you don't like us, we'll be back.
We'll still be here. Whether you want us or not.
Until next time, it's goodbye from him.
And it's goodbye from him.
Huzzah to the king!